Sit down, Ryan. It won't work.
Have a cupcake now. No, I missed nobody.
All right.
Hey, Miss Nobody, eat your pizza so we can have some cupcakes.
I love some. Hi, I do not eat another thing.
Cupcakes, good job. Hey, Ryan, you're gonna miss your cupcakes, kid.
I love this one too much.
Ryan's gonna lose his cupcakes because I'm gonna eat them all up.
I put the cupcakes right in front of the camera.
Those look good.
Kyle, come here, please. You're covered in chocolate. I don't want your...
I think I am going to eat Ryan's cupcakes while he dances around and doesn't finish his pizza.
That is a horrible song. Apple, I eat the accent. Look at Ryan.
Finish those 2 pieces.
Ryan, start chasing your hands. Here it goes.
Ryan,
Well, that's
these 2
not. I
pieces
haven't
right
cut
now.
them. Can you turn this on? Ryan. Ryan.
No.
Can you turn this on? I'm gonna find it in front of the camera. I want this one.
You don't have to eat it, buddy.
I'll take it. Yum, yum, yum.
Did you like it?
Oh!
Let me see your face, Hanson. Oh my goodness. Did you go swimming in your food?
Wait.
Maddie, there you go.
Wait, oh, baby! Oh! On! Fly, baby, fly! Fly, baby, fly! Stop!
When it gets close to the wall, you don't want it to crash.
Ryan?
Hey!
One more piece, buddy.
I have to put this piece on the pizza! Wait, let's get the lid.
2 bites, Haley.
Dad,
you're
go,
done.
go! Go away. I'm gonna swing from back. Rod, do it, do
Other
it.
2, honey.
Let's go. Alright. Sorry.
That didn't work so well, right?
Rod, back. Wait, back. Rod, put it on here. Let's try one more time. Gotcha!
Kyle.
Put it on here now. I said gotcha. Kyle's gotcha, all right. What?
Ryan, honey, come here.
Well, you have one time for me to get
Ryan,
around.
I'm about to put this away.
Clear. Jill, no. Jill, don't touch it. Guys, take off. Guys, don't touch.
Here you go.
Like this?
Yeah. And you can watch what you're filming through that picture.
Guys, make it hit the roof. No, do it. Kyle, can I try that? I'm good at it. Okay. I can do it. I do this better. Now we'll make this the roof. Alright. Now wait for it. Up there. You didn't even throw it up to the roof. So is that a good video? What happened? I don't know. Piece fell off. Let's go look for it. Here it is.
10 and then 1 at 12. So I'm thinking.
Don't worry. It's fixed. Right now, I was like, Jack, this time you throw it up and try and make it.
Alright, I can still get it recording on
No,
this.
let me videotape.
Alright, you can.
Do it upside down. Oh, that's a flaw.
No, Jack, it won't work. Turn on and off. Kyle, stop. Stop it.
Hey, guys. Yeah, I think you're gonna break that.
No.
I'd be very careful.
I already pushed it up and it didn't do it.
Kyle, stop it.
Kyle, stop it with the pillow, please.
No, I turned it on. But now I turned it off. Oh, I know what to do. I got it, Kyle. You know what to do. Really.
Alright.
You have to wait
amazing
this way,
trip.
buddy, or it's all going to be crooked.
Guys, it's okay. The guy's okay.
Put it on the lander.
We will take off on the lander.
This is a child chocolate.
Here, we do it one more time, okay?
We see if he can make it.
Put it right here, Jax.
Let's
And you do it, you
Let's
like
go for
try it
real.
twice, and then it goes to Dylan, okay? Ready?
Then take off.
Jake's running out of juice.
No, it's my turn. Mine and Kyle's.
Come on.
No, then it will be my turn, and then it will be Kyle's because Jack, Haley, and yeah.
It's not working.
I didn't get that.
Don't worry, I can do it.
I got it wrong.
Okay.
Put it down, let Dylan try one.
No, wait, hold it up in the air. Hold it up in the air. Don't worry, I got this.
Right, what's the